5 Awesome Beauty Tips with Sugar to Improve Your Skin. Sugar is one of the best, if not the best, natural exfoliators which can do wonders for your skin. The crystalline compound can improve your complexion, prevent dark spots on your skin and make it pinker, which is why you should use it on your skin more often. Here are 5 great beauty tips with sugar which will significantly improve the quality of your skin. 1. Reduces the appearance of dark spots. Mix a tablespoon of sugar with a tablespoon of lime juice, then wash your face and apply the mixture on your face. Leave it to work for no more than 5 minutes, then rinse with water and you should notice immediate results. 2. Anti-aging scrub. Mix a tablespoon of sugar with an equal amount of aloe vera gel and milk, then wash your face well and apply the mixture on it. Now, leave it to work for 10 minutes, then rinse with cold water in the end. Repeat the process twice a week for best results. 3. Improves your complexion. Mix a tablespoon of sugar with a tablespoon of pisan, gram flour, and tomato juice, then massage the mixture on your face for about 10 minutes. Rinse with cold water and repeat the process 3 times a week for best results. 4. Makes your lips pinker. To brighten your lips and make them pink, mix a tablespoon of sugar, olive oil and lemon juice each, then apply the scrub on your lips and leave it for 10 minutes. Rinse with cold water and repeat the process every day to make your lips attractive and pink. 5. Scrub for all skin types. Mix a tablespoon of sugar with a tablespoon of milk well, then massage your face for 5 minutes with the scrub and rinse with cold water in the end. Repeat the process every day to exfoliate your skin and prevent numerous problems. Good luck and success.